everyone, the holidays are over and I don't know about you, but I'm excited to hear what everybody decided to put in their Christmas cookie boxes. So here is everything I decided to put in mine. All 12 different varieties. I know I shot for the stars, but I think everybody really enjoyed it and I got to see my family and spend some time with them and let them enjoy their cookies. So I think it was definitely worth it. I stayed up until 5 a.m. baking all these cookies, but I don't think I will do this many next year. But I think this year I got everything that I wanted to put in the box and it was amazing. So here's everything that I had in mind. I had a classic sugar cookie, which my aunt loves. I also had a oatmeal cookie dipped in royal icing. Of course, I had to have a classic gingerbread. I love a coconut macaroon, so of course I had to put a coconut macaroon. It's dipped in chocolate with a chocolate drizzle on top. A classic chocolate chip cookie. A Biscoff white chocolate chunk. A chocolate brownie cookie. My cranberry orange shortbread cookies. My chocolate chunk cookies, which that recipe is going to be coming out soon for you guys. I had a salted caramel cookie, which is absolutely delicious. Everybody loved it. I have a peppermint shortbread dipped in chocolate, my white chocolate macadamia nut, and then a fan favorite, my brown butter pecan. My family loves this one. It is definitely top tier fan favorite. I stayed up with my Merry Christmas apron on and I watched the Sabrina Carpenter Christmas special, and then I also watched all of the Harry Potters over. I went ahead and watched movies 6, 7, and 8. Oh, chef's kiss. Love them all. It's always a good time when Harry Potter is available. So I just binge watched that and made all of these cookie boxes. And here is the box all together. Here is a fun video of me delivering a cookie box to my sister and her husband. She met me at the door. So fun. Hello.
Hi!
Merry Christmas.
Thank you so much.